In this video, we will learn how to manage a patient's medical finding in RenalGenie. First, we will see how to view and filter medical findings. Open the patient profile. At the submenu on the left, select Medical Finding. Here, you can view the list of medical findings. You can also filter them by category or by finding date. Next, let's see how to add, edit, or delete a medical finding. To add a new medical finding, click on the plus icon and key in the finding details. You can also upload the necessary document here. Click Save, and the new entry will appear in the list. If you click on the three-dot icon next to a record, you will have the option to view details. Edit the medical findings. Or delete. That's how you can view, filter, upload, add, edit, and delete a patient's medical finding in RenalGenie. Thank you for watching.